Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Japanese cherry blossom facial serum. This is an oil-based serum made with very lightweight oils that will penetrate into the skin very easily, adding all kinds of nutrition, vitamins, and minerals. So here's a recipe written out in percents. If you guys don't know how to transfer a recipe from percents into a weighed out formula, I do have a video that shows you guys how to do that, so I'll link that down below for you guys. So first off, you're going to need a digital scale that weighs to 0.01 grams and a very small container because we're only going to be making 14 milliliters of this serum. So first off, I'm using meadow foam seed oil. This oil closely resembles the human sebum, just like jojoba oil. It locks in moisture and delivers nutrients, and it absorbs very quickly into the skin, so you won't have to worry about that greasy residue that some oils leave behind on your skin. So I added in 8.96 grams of the meadow foam seed oil. Next, I'm using camellia seed oil. This oil helps promote cell growth and flexibility. It's a non-greasy and lightweight oil, again, that will absorb into your skin very easily and not leave a greasy residue, and it is full of antioxidants. So I'm using 2.1 grams of the camellia seed oil. Now I'm using jojoba oil. This oil helps restore mature skin. It is packed with vitamin C, and it is a non-greasy oil, again, so it won't leave a greasy residue. And I use 2.1 grams of the jojoba oil. Now I'm using cherry blossom extract, which is the star of this recipe. It's full of antioxidants and it has anti-inflammatory properties. It promotes smooth, supple skin, and it is rich in essential fatty acids. So I used 0.42 grams of the cherry blossom extract. Now I'm using ginseng extract. This can help reduce fine lines, it can help firm the skin, and it can combat free radicals. So this is another great anti-aging ingredient. So I used 0.28 grams of the ginseng extract. Now I'm using a vitamin E oil. This is an antioxidant. It helps protect cells from free radicals, and since this is an antioxidant, it helps prolong the life of carrier oils only. It is not a preservative, so if I was using any kind of water in this formula, I would need a broad spectrum preservative, but since this is all oil-based, I can just use vitamin E to help extend the shelf life. And I used 0.14 grams of the vitamin E, and then I mixed everything in together. So I'm using this half-ounce glass dropper bottle to put my serum in. I will link down below where I purchased this bottle along with where I purchased all the other ingredients. So this is how the serum looks once it's in the bottle. Again, you only need about 2, 3, 4 drops max for the entire face, and just massage it into your skin until it is completely absorbed and you won't have a greasy residue left behind, but you will benefit from all the vitamins and nutrition that the serum offers. So I decided to make a label for this serum, and I called it a sakura serum because that is another word for cherry blossom, and the word was just smaller and fit better on the label. If you don't know how to make custom labels, I will link down below to a video on how I make my custom labels so you guys can learn how to do that. So here's how the serum looks in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know how you feel about oil-based serums. Do you like oil-based serums, water-based serums? Let me know down in the comments. So one more thing, as I mentioned in every single one of my videos, I do sell homemade skincare products over on my Etsy shop. So I'll link my Etsy shop down below along with some coupon codes. So go check that out if you guys want to purchase anything. So hope you guys have a great week and hope to see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.